Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer a domain to Squarespace. If you've purchased a domain somewhere else, say GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains, and you're now ready to bring it all under your Squarespace dashboard, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, your domain will be set up in Squarespace, making your website management easier and more streamlined. All right, let's get started. First things first, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site's settings. That's where most of Squarespace's important setup tools and options live. You'll want to scroll down to find the section labeled Domains and Emails. This is where all domain-related actions happen. Take a moment here. It's easy to miss, especially if you haven't poked around these settings before. Now, you'll see a button or link that says, Use a domain I own. Click that. What this is doing is letting Squarespace know you have a domain registered elsewhere, and now you want to bring it into your Squarespace ecosystem. The next prompt will ask you to type in your domain name. Just enter the full address, like yourbusiness.com. Be sure you spell it correctly. A tiny typo can lead to confusion later. Once the name is entered, you'll see an option to transfer domain. Go ahead and click that. This is more than just pointing your domain at Squarespace. You're actually moving its registration, so Squarespace becomes your domain provider. This can make renewals and settings much simpler, since everything's all in one place. But here's the catch. Before you can transfer, you need something called an auth code from your current domain provider. Think of this code as a special password that proves you own the domain and gives permission to transfer it. You'll need to log into wherever you registered your domain, whether that's GoDaddy, Namecheap, or elsewhere, and look for the transfer or authorization code section, usually sitting under domain settings or management. Don't worry if this takes a few minutes or you need to search around. Providers often tuck it away for security. Once you've got your AUth code, come back to Squarespace and paste it in. Double-check you've entered it correctly. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers, and even one wrong character will cause a hiccup. Hit Continue. Now it's time to input your billing information. This is where Squarespace will process the transfer fee, and afterwards, you'll be able to renew your domain right from Squarespace without hopping between platforms. Go ahead and fill out your billing details. If it's your first time, make sure your payment method is up to date. That'll keep the transfer smooth and avoid delays. Once you've completed billing, hit Continue once again, and that's it. Squarespace will handle the rest. It might take a little while, sometimes a few hours, sometimes a couple of days, for the transfer to wrap up. So don't worry if you don't see it change immediately. You'll usually get an email confirmation when your domain is fully transferred and ready to go. And there you have it. Your domain is now housed in Squarespace. Pretty simple once you gather your AUth code and billing info. Managing your website will be easier with everything under one roof. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you hit any snags or have questions about domain transfers. I check those regularly and I'm happy to help out. And if you want more clear, easy-to-follow how-tos like this, hit subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Squarespace site.